Hello guys, welcome back. Once again, this is Adai. For those that are new to my channel, welcome. In today's video, like I promised, I'm going to show you guys how I take off these 10-day lash extensions from Moitié Cosmetics. I'm going to tell you my experience throughout these 10 days, along with pros and cons in regards of this product. I'm going to show you a time-lapse video of these 10 days. There was a couple days that I couldn't film, but other than that, I filmed the rest of the days to show you how they were wearing as the days went by. Let me just start off by saying that the next day after I filmed the video was when I really got an insight of how it felt having lash extensions and doing it at home. Honestly, it felt really good to wake up with lashes on, because I looked at myself in the mirror and I'm like, oh my god, you look good today. And of course it had to do with me having lashes on. I have to admit that the first 2 days I was very cautious and, you know, just trying to make sure that I didn't rub too much, or that when I showered and washed my face I didn't do it too roughly. But then after that I got used to having lashes that I honestly didn't care in the sense of being super cautious with them. I would just go on about my day, with that being washing my face throughout the day, when I showered, and also after a workout, cleaning off the sweat, all of that. So these lashes have gone through everything. And when I mean everything, I mean everything. Not only that, but also when I would go to sleep, I wouldn't be careful about it. This is what we ended up with. Yes, I ended up losing a lash, and that is because at a point I was applying a little too much glue on this eye. So for my left eye, I'm like, I'm not gonna commit that same mistake, and I'm gonna put way less glue. So that, I think that is the reason why it ended up falling off. But other than that, they're pretty much there. If anything, this one right here wants to fall off, as you guys can see. So if you ask me if these lashes last the 10 days that they say they will last, yes, they do last those 10 days. But here's the thing, would I wear them for those 10 days? I personally wouldn't wear them for those 10 days, but knowing that they last that long is a good thing. I personally would wear them anywhere from 3 to 6 days max. I would wear these lashes for, you know, vacations. I would also consider getting the lighter styles for those days that I just want to look cute when I wake up, but not necessarily have a full glam lashes like these. After giving you my input, I'm going to go ahead and take off the lashes. I'm going to follow the instructions. I'm going to read the instructions. Use your fingers or the swab to gently massage the removal gel into the lashes. Wait approximately 2 minutes for the removal gel to dissolve the glue. Then gently pull the lash segments off with our tweezers tips. If lashes don't glide off easily, repeat the step 2 and step 3 to apply more gel. Do not use force to remove the lashes, as doing so could damage your natural lashes. If you have sensitive eyes, keep your eyes closed to avoid accidental contact with the gel. I'm not sure if you can see, but my natural lashes grew out. And that is another reason why I would not wear them for those 10 days, because then you're gonna have like this gap. This is the lash removal gel. They provide you with this disposable wand. I'm gonna go ahead and apply a patch on me, because I don't want the lash removal gel on my skin for too long. And this time I'm not putting it on my lashes, I'm just putting it beneath. I want to make sure that I keep my eyes closed at all times. Give it 2 minutes. Then I'm going to slowly start trying to pull them off with the swab. Oh, there's the first one. Whoops. Again, try not to pull it too harsh. Oh, there's the other one. I'm going to grab my towel, wet it, have some water on the side, and it's off. Now I'm gonna take this off, and I'm gonna continue with this eye. Remember, this eye was the one that I applied more glue, so let's see how that goes. It was pretty easy, to be honest, to take it off. Okay, same thing. Just like that. Give it 2 minutes. So let's wait. I'm not gonna open my eyes. 2 minutes are up. And let's start pulling them, gently pulling them out. There you go. Easy peasy. There you go. Next. And just like that, I took all the lashes off. Before I take the patch off and open my eyes, I'm going to clean around with water. Honestly, it was very quick. I didn't expect it to be this fast. Between applying the gel, waiting for 2 minutes, and then start trying to pull them off one by one, it took about anywhere from 4 max 5 minutes. But that's very fast compared to what I thought in my head I was going to take. All right, let me show you the lashes. Whoop. And just like that, we took them off. It was very fast, very quick, to be honest. I really enjoyed this product. In all honesty, I enjoyed it. But I wouldn't wear it for 10 days. It did last for 10 days, but I wouldn't wear it for 10 days. Just my personal preference. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And if you did, give this video a thumbs up. It is greatly appreciated. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, press that notification bell in order to get notified every time I upload a new video. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.